Hi guys, welcome back. Have you ever wished you could carry your own Windows PC in your pocket and use it on almost any computer? Well, in this video I will show you how to install Windows directly onto a USB drive and create a portable Windows that you can boot from anywhere. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and in the search box type WinToUSB and press enter. Now open the official Hasleo software website. Once the website opens, scroll down a little until you find the download section. And as you can see, at the time of recording this video, the latest available version is 10.8. So just click on download, and the software is quite small in size, so it should download within a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, simply double click on the setup file. If Windows asks for permission, click yes. Just follow the installation wizard, click next, accept the license agreement, keep the default installation settings and continue clicking next until you reach install. Wait for the installation to complete. Finally click finish. Now the software has been installed successfully. Now it's time to connect your USB drive. For today's demonstration, I am using a 128 GB USB flash drive. Although 128 GB works perfectly fine, but it will be better if you are using a 256 GB USB drive or even an external SSD if you want better performance and more storage space. So everything currently stored on this USB drive will be erased during the installation process. So make sure you have already backed up any important files before proceeding. Now double click the WinToUSB desktop icon to launch the software. After it opens, you will see three options on the home screen. For this tutorial, click on Windows to Go USB. Next, under the source sections, click the browse button and locate your download Windows 11 ISO file. If you don't have the Windows 11 ISO file yet, simply download it from the official Microsoft website. Then select the ISO and click open. Now you can choose the edition that you want to install. So here is the list. So I am going to select Windows 11 Pro. Now under the destination section, you need to select your USB drive from the list. In the installation mode, you will see different options. I recommend using VHDX because it generally offers better performance and reliability. However, as you can see in my case, VHDX is not supported in the free or trial version. So for today's video, I am going to choose VHD instead. After selecting it, just click proceed. A warning message appears asking if you are sure you want to continue. Just click yes. And the software will now begin creating the portable Windows installation. Depending on the speed of your USB drive and your computer, the process usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes. So just sit back and let it finish. As you can see, the operation is completed successfully. In my case, the entire process took approximately 11 minutes, which is pretty fast. Now our portable Windows USB is ready. The next step is to boot your computer from this USB drive. Okay, so leave the USB connected and restart your PC. While your computer is starting, press the boot menu key. So depending on your computer manufacturer, it could be F12, F9, Escape, F11 or another key. From the boot menu, select your USB drive. After selecting the USB drive, Windows will begin its first boot. Since this is the first time Windows is running from the USB drive, it will take a little longer than usual. Windows will appear the system, detect your computer's hardware, install the required driver automatically, and then restart if necessary. After that, you will be guided through the normal Windows setup process. Then choose your country and keyboard layout, connect to a network if you want, sign in with your Microsoft account or create a local account, and complete the remaining setup steps. Within a few minutes, you will arrive at the Windows desktop. And congratulations, you now have a fully portable Windows installation running directly from your USB drive. From now on, you can plug this USB drive into another compatible computer, boot from it and use your own Windows environment with your installed apps, settings and files. So that's it for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more easy to follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.